everyone, it's Sabrina. I am so excited that you are here, and I am going to share with you today a Colorcast Designs project. I am lucky enough to be on Colorcast Designs team. Jessica, I have been following her and loving her products for many years, and I am thrilled to be on her team. So this is what I got in my box this month. I love the confetti, or the, whatever you want to call this. It is so fun. Okay, so I'm gonna pull out, make sure I got everything. Yep, I got everything. Let's start with the wood veneer. All right, so you have these set. There's 7 of them. So 7 for the days of the week. So you're gonna have Super Saturday, Finally Friday, Sunday Fun Day, Magical Monday, Throwback Thursday, Workspace Wednesday, and Terrific Tuesday. So I'm very excited to use those and kind of think up of a way to use them. So I'm gonna do that in another video. Then the other pieces you have are Rest and Relax, Favorite Getaway, Favorite Teen Memory, and Days Like These. So I know I'm going to use this one in a Project Life, and same thing with this one because we just went to the ocean. So I'm going to use it for that. Love getting away to the ocean. All right, so those are the wood veneer, and the acrylic is so beautiful. I just love it. This is the focus of my project. I'm going to do a gigantic layout for my daughter. She has always been a nature child, and she just wild and free. So I had a lot of fun digging in my hard drive for some photos, and I am gonna make a 6x8 page that flips out, and it has lots of photos of her. So I have wild and free, favorite childhood memory, and then the next little bag has pure joy. That's going to be an easy one to document. And favorite way to unplug, another easy one for me. If I did it from my aspect, it would definitely be reading at night or Netflix. This one is a beautiful one. It's got a little bit of thicker letters, and it says view from here. And then the last little bag has like the embellishments and one more acrylic piece. Okay, so the next one is Fabulous, and I think mine broke, but that's okay. I'm not worried about it. It'll glue back together, and you won't even be able to tell. But you have Fabulous, and then like I said, a few embellishments. So a heart that has just an outline, a solid, and then same thing with some stars. So there you go. Some wonderful embellishments, and I love them. I love Colorcast Designs, and I'm excited to put together the project featuring Wild and Free and some of the embellishments. And I hope you guys have enjoyed a sneak peek, a full look at the June subscription for Colorcast Designs. All right, I'm gonna switch over to VoiceOver now. Okay, before I started recording my process, I kind of laid out everything and make sure that it's gonna work, this design's gonna work, because I did all the designing of this overall collage and flip out in Photoshop Elements. I think the photos wound up being 3x2, and I am gonna have, I don't even know, like at least 10 photos. And what I do is I take a piece of cardstock, and I'm gonna glue 3 inches of it to the back side of my hole punch, and then I will be able to do a flip out, because I had the best time digging in my hard drive for photos of my daughter running free in nature and just having an awesome time. For the front cover, I have a photo of her hiking several years ago, and then one more recently playing in our redwood forest, because we have a set of redwoods in our backyard. I took a purple citrus twist paper, and I used that to mat the acrylic paper, and even though it's 2 pieces brought together, you can't even tell once I have the acrylic on there. I also am going to add some citrus twist stamped phrases and leaves, and then later on a sparkle. And so those were perfect to add to this project. I think there was even a kit, a citrus twist kit called Wild at Heart. So it just worked out perfect. So right here, I'm going to stamp Wild at Heart and among the wildflowers. And then I start to glue down the acrylic piece, Wild and Free, and decide I need to build the collage first. So I'm going to go ahead and start working on that. I have, for the two inner sections, is horizontal photos, and then on the left and right outside, I have vertical photos. And I'm also going to repeat with the purple pattern paper, and then I found a blue that matched perfectly with the fabulous acrylic piece and just the color scheme that I was going for to coordinate with these papers. And when I was digging in my hard drive, I just kind of went and thought about our different trips and kind of like off the top of my head when we went places, and so I was able to find photos that way. I guess I do have a good memory because that helped, and I also used my Google Photos to type in tree or other phrases to help find pictures. So I just stapled on some two little tags for the photo of my daughter at the river, or not the river, the ocean. This one right here is a butterfly tag, and I was so excited when I found that because it coordinates with the journaling card. Stapled it twice and then added it to the purple paper. Also added in a little tag or die cut that says life happens in the little moments. And then I stamped Into the Wild and Beautiful You, and then I will add on the large purple acrylic, which is just beautiful. Down at the bottom, I am going to stamp You Make My Heart Sing, You Make My Heart Sing twice, and then I also have found in my Citrus Twist stash two labels that actually coordinate perfectly, so I'm going to go ahead and add those on, and then also a large acrylic star. White star with an outline. I love that white star. And then I'm also going to add a bunch of leaves at the bottom with the stamp that I've been using. And then I go looking for the sparkle, and I find a sparkle, and I absolutely love that little sparkle. It was the perfect little touch. I wanted a shape stamp that would go well with the overall theme, and I found one. So it's the little things that mean the most when you're trying to put together a layout and you have an idea in your mind and you just want it to go well, right? So I just glued down some stars, and I have used for years the EK Success blue glue pen, and it has worked perfectly for all of Jessica's pieces. I just made sure that the Wild and Free is pushed down and glued down well, and it is. And then over in the corner, I stamped some more of the leaves, and I really like when you close it, you can see that. Also stamped So You, smushed it a little, and then so I just stamped it on a piece of paper so I could cut it out. And I just, that was a perfect phrase for my daughter. Over on the journaling card, I put Love Every Part of You. And then I am almost finished with this layout. I'm just going to do a little bit of journaling in a little bit. First, I'm going to put down the Fabulous, the one that broke a little bit, but you can't tell now that it's glued down. Okay, so for the journaling, I just talk about how from the very beginning, my daughter has always been full of sunshine and joy and just the happiest when she is outside. Now on these tags, I wanted to make like a list of kind of like whether she's hiking in the forest, the ocean, gardening, whatever it is she's doing, she's happy. But I ran out of room. That's okay though. I am all done with this layout, and I absolutely love how it came together and told the story of my daughter loving nature, making sure that Fabulous is glued down well, and then I will be done with this project, and I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my first ColorCast Designs project come together. I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you are new to my channel and want to keep seeing my videos. Thanks so much, and have a great day. Bye!